Okay, today I'm going to insulate the riser tube on my rocket stove because as you can see there's a lot of soot and silt in there, and that's because I believe the riser tube is not insulated. I think if we insulate that, that'll make a big difference. So I got some 8-inch black stove pipe. I've got some Perlite, which is what they insulate this stuff with. And we're going to put the stovepipe down over top of that square down there. And then we're going to fill her up with Perlite. Anyway, and then we're going to see what it does. Okay guys, I made some changes. I took this door, I took that door off, cut it off, because it wasn't giving me the proper airflow. And what I did is I made that. And as you can hear, it's working excellent. I can adjust this here to get less draft or more draft. I think I got it set pretty good there right now. It's chugging along pretty good. You can hear it and you can see the fire. And that's just waste oil going up there. I am going to build a filter for it, because I've heard that those little needle valves will get plugged up. And, well, I guess you can't really see, but there's a little bit of oil in the bottom of that bucket. Yeah, as you can see, it's chugging along just great. And the temperature. Temperature down at the bottom is it's 250 degrees, and as we get up to the top, I'd say we're getting very close to probably 500 degrees there. Just a nice temperature. And my exhaust, about 80 degrees. Yeah, about 80 degrees. Not very hot at all. Yeah, it's not hot. It's warm, but not hot.